Hey amigo, have you ever watched ESPN and thought, how do they make those graphics look so good? I've been there, messing with the After Effects, trying to make something look epic, but it just looks like trash. If that's you right now, struggling to make pro-level sports motion graphics, then listen up, because I built this masterclass just for you. See this work? It's not mine, it's my students. People who came in stuck and frustrated and walked out making graphics that belong on ESPN. Like Nico came in feeling like his dream was over. Now, he's a motion graphics manager for the Saints and the Pelicans. Here's what we do inside the masterclass. Design that wins, the secret sauce of every great graphic. Typography, color, grids, animation that pops, text that hits, camera moves that breathe, using After Effects 3D tools for environments and matchups. And the actual toolkit that I built for Thursday Night Football. You're not learning in a bubble. We bring in heavy hitters. 10-time Emmy winner and ESPN director Daniel H. Ford. Gatorade's Mike Gallegos. Emmy-winning Fox Sports producer Crystal Nungaray. And Connor Hankley, founder of Coliseum. This is the stuff that no YouTube tutorial will ever give you. Here's the deal. I don't open this masterclass all year long. I run it in cohorts so I can mentor and keep the training fresh. And there's no guarantee that I'll open this again. If you've been on the fence or you're waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Join the Sports Motion Graphics Masterclass and let's make your graphic finally look like it belongs on ESPN.